You'd like to know how to multiply a decimal by a whole number. First things first, we write them, as you can see, in algorithm format, which means we write the top as a decimal times by the whole number down the bottom. It's going to be easy for us to do. Let's go through the examples one by one and you'll get the hang of it very quickly. Starting with this one, 13.2 times 5. We start by multiplying the whole number. 5 times 2 we know is 10. We see the point, we must bring the point down. 5 times 3, 15 plus 1, 16, carry the 1. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 66.0 or just 66. This example here, 0.36 times 8. 8 is a whole number. 8 times 6 is 48, carry the 4. 8 times 3, 24, plus the 4, 28. We have to remember, we put the point down since we're up to it. 8 times 0 is 0, plus the 2, 2.88. Another example there. Our whole number down the bottom. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 2, 8, plus the 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Now we're up to the point. Put it down. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8.108. So as you can see, the whole number is down the bottom. We write it down in algorithm format and we multiply, not forgetting that when we get up to the point, we have to put the point where it is in the question and we put it in the answer and we get the right answer straight away without making any mistakes. As you can see, very straightforward. Follow the steps and you'll get them all right.